How did you look at Hamilton's crash?
Yeah, it was normally Lewis is known to make the least mistakes.
Exactly.
That is how he won so many championships. He was so consistent and so. But I don't know. Is it the pressure? It was a weird mistake, in my opinion. You know, it was very weird how it happened. So I don't know what happened. But you know, I think the pressure can get to all of us, even to Lewis Hamilton. You know, it's like there is pressure now at Ferrari because he's always outperformed by Charles. And I think the root of this is when it was announced last year, or when it happened last year, the hype was so big, and I think we all drank the Kool-Aid, you know, and me inclusive, you know, saying, "Oh, the 7-time world champion going to Ferrari." Ferrari at that time was on the way up, and you think of this, you know, all the fans think of this. This is the dream is going to happen. There is Lewis Hamilton coming back to Ferrari, getting world championships to Ferrari, and his 8th one, you know. So, and then it doesn't happen.